Hi everybody, Dina Shalom here. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up to date and get notified when I add new videos, which I will be doing on a regular basis. So thanks ahead of time for that. Today I'm going to talk about why people sometimes have knee pain when they're doing lunges or partial lunges. So it's often a go-to goal exercise. In a previous video, I showed you how to do an unweighted version, but I wanted to explain a little bit about why sometimes that bothers your knees and give you some hints about what to do about it. So if you have a tendency to not use your glutes, glute max muscles in the back, glute medius on the side, if you have a tendency to underutilize those muscles, when you do your lunges, for example, you might have a tendency to go on your tiptoe and then lean into your lunge, okay? So it's almost like you're front loading your knee. You're putting all of the weight on the front of the leg, even though you're being good about hip, knee, foot in alignment. So you probably know that. If not, watch my other video. So you want to keep that straight alignment. If I'm putting all of the weight in the ball of my foot, it's partially because I tend to overuse my quads and maybe not use these larger, stronger muscles in the back of your hip. So if that's the case, what you can do is hold on to something so you can focus on your form versus just worrying about the balance and the structure of the whole lunge in the middle of the room. And compare sides. Say, what do you do on one side? What do you do on the other side? So you might find that one side you load the heel well and you can feel your hamstrings and your bum, and the other side you don't. So then you'd want to work on that, okay? So take as much support as you need to, holding on to the kitchen counter or any piece of furniture, and work on not going into a full lunge, but just, you can even go from here and say, okay, now I'm pressing into my heel, I'm squeezing my bum, and then do your partial lunge, right? So you're teaching yourself to press through the heel as well as the rest of the foot to help activate these posterior and outside muscles, which if they don't get involved, you're using the quads a little bit too much and you might get some anterior knee pain. Okay, so again, check back in the other video that I posted on partial weighted squats and lunges. That'll give you some info on the same topic. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're finding this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, you guys.